So for today's project, getting ready to install the Banks pedal monster. Supposed to give you better throttle control. You know, the Tacoma's notorious for pushing the pedal down and then having to wait 1, 2, 3 seconds before it actually engages. So hopefully this will help. It's supposed to be a 15-minute install. Let's find out. All right. Remove before dealer visit. All right. Well, let's see what we got here. There. And I'm not sure what that is. Some more wiring. Well, let's open this up and see what we got. Okay, here we go. We got some zip ties, instructions, video guide. Got some stickers and some wires. Supposed to be plug and play. We'll see. All right, just reviewed the instructions, watched their video. Now let's see if we can unplug and plug this in. It's really going to be as simple as they showed. Let's take a look here. You see it up there? It doesn't look too bad. That actually came off surprisingly easy. All right, let's plug this in. That went in nice. Then plug these two together. Apologize, a little hard to video and do this. Okay. That's all connected. We're going to have to connect this to the OBD port, which I think is this here. Okay, here we go. This is the power cable. It goes into the OBD. Okay. That looks like that's all in tightly. It's just a little tight with the dash right there. Connected the adapter, the 4-pin to the 6-pin, and we'll plug it in here. They said it doesn't matter which one it goes in. Plug it in right there. And I'm going to get this system set up before I tuck everything in. Okay, we disconnected the battery. So we'll put that back on and test this out. It says, oh, I guess we need a key. All right, I've got the keys now. It says put it on, but don't start it. Okay, so now it's on. We got that blinking green. We need to push the button on the back. Okay, it's now amber. That means it's in pairing mode. So let's get our phone here. Connect pedal monster. Okay, it's going through a setup here. This is reverse auto detect. Okay, step on the depress your pedal wide open throttle. That's it. Looks like it's all set up. All right, got the wires all tucked back in there. It's set up and working. Now we just have to test it out. Okay, we're going to give this bank system a try. Let's click on the app right here. Banks. Connect. So it automatically is connecting. We'll do a screen record so you guys can see how that looks. Okay, there it is. You got stock. This is going to be as if it's not plugged in. City. I have it set at 7. It goes up to 10. That's how quick it responds. That's the sport mode and the track mode. So we'll do sport. Well, we'll go from stock. And you see how slow that is? Switch it over to sport. Let's crank it all the way up. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Yeah. That is much faster. And we'll just try city. And this is what I've been driving around on and off-road. So it's more responsive, but not too responsive. So let's take it for a spin. Okay, again, I'll put the screen record in there. This is just real world driving. Coming up to a stop sign here. All right, from a stop, about 3,000 RPM. Again, it's not retuning the engine, it's just making the throttle more responsive. We got a little 20-mile-an-hour school zone, so we'll slow it on down. And school zone up to 45. Just much more responsive. Okay, I'm going to pump it up to 10 and put it over into sport mode. In order to change from any of the modes, you can't have your foot on the gas pedal. So you just let off the pedal and you can switch from mode to mode. So let's try this. That was pretty good. That guy might have a bank system too. Let's give this a test here. See if we can make it in front of these cars. Oh yeah, look how responsive that is. Wow. Now, interesting to note, it does not work with the cruise control. So that cruise control, when you accelerate through the cruise control, it is not working, so it must bypass the actual throttle pedal. Okay, let you guys see the RPMs along with the banks here. Nice. Okay, let's give this a shot again. Gonna go from a stop here. We're in city mode. You can see the difference between standard Toyota, which is foot in the banks as far as responsiveness. Feels really good. Love this. After purchasing and using the Banks Pedal Monster throttle controller for about 2 months now, both on-road and off-road, I can say I'm extremely impressed. This has been a game changer for my Tacoma. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments, and we'll catch you the next time we venture outside.